Hey everybody, this is George with you again at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in an absolutely beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. I love everything about this exterior. If you haven't already, I'd also love for you to follow our YouTube channel. So go ahead and click that little bell icon. That'll turn on notifications, let you follow us, and you don't miss out on any videos, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this beautiful world. That way you get a chance to virtually see how it goes down the road, what it sounds like. For all additional information, when we're done, go on over to volocars.com, V-O-L-O cars.com. There we have a couple of hundred pictures, undercarriage, inside, outside. We have the selling price, a real detailed write-up. We try to find out as much information as possible on this car, so you can become knowledgeable when you give us a call and you're confident and the whole sales process goes swimmingly. So let's get on in. Interior looks phenomenal. Now this one I believe was frame off, rotisserie restored, really taken care of. And you can tell the seat's comfortable, the interior looks gorgeous. All I see are just these two little nicks here. It looks like the seatbelt went off and hit, scraped off a little bit of the black. That can just be re-dyed. Easy peasy. So yeah, let's go ahead and start her up. Starts right up. Nice 4-speed manual transmission down here. Up here it looks like the original cluster gauge and everything. You have your fuel, speedo, clock, radio. That one I could not get to go on. But then you have your additional gauges down here for your oil pressure, engine temp, battery. Down here on the clock, I don't think I see it moving, but that's all right. And this is the first time myself or anyone from the shops has a chance to take this out on the road, so you and I are experiencing everything firsthand together, or first time together rather. And so if we run into any hiccups when we get it back in the shop, we'll go ahead and address them. So let's go for a ride. All right, I do start out just getting the hang of it, and then I'll open it up a little later in the video. Clutch feels nice. Straight, and the steering's tight as well. You just start to turn it, it goes with you. Everything about this I'm really enjoying. Sounds incredibly solid going down this road. I'm not hearing any squeaks or anything. Do notice that the turn signals don't cancel, so you got to push those up yourself. That's something we can take a look at here as well. Getting thumbs up from people. She's definitely got some guts to her as well. feel the power. Let's see how it is when you're driving and you slam on it. Whoa, still sucks you back in the seat there. Real beautiful car, easy to control, real easy to shift, super just, the feeling's right. Every car when you shift it's that feeling of when to go in gear, when everything, and this one's just super fluid. This Chevelle is awesome. From the looks, from the drivability, the power, everything about this. It's just a beautiful, awesome driving car. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out the pictures, the write-up, and then give our sales team a call because Chevelles never last that long here. As always, I appreciate you.